Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel. I'm going to show you some hot new toys that are coming out for the end of summer, back to school, as well as for the holiday season. In this episode, you're going to see what I'm loving right now. I received Wonder Wings. This is so cute. I actually got it for attending the Toy Insiders Suite at home, and it was a virtual conference. I reached out to Sunny Days and they went ahead and sent me one of these. So this is sponsored, but all opinions are my own, and I want to go ahead and play and show you what's inside. Now, I'm going to be doing these videos because that way you as moms, dads, whoever, everyone can go ahead and buy these toys for the kids in their family and just give back and enjoy. I mean, we might as well celebrate the inner child, right? All right, let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to show you unboxing and what the Wonder Wings does. Look how cute. Okay, so this is the Wonder Wings. I love unicorns. They're so cute, colorful, bright, fluffy, this fuzzy little hair, right? So what's special about Wonder Wings is that you can pull the wings and the tail out to see all the colors, and that way they can fly. It's so cute and gives a lot of fun, imaginative play for your kids. Now, this is for kids that are ages 3 and up, and it retails at $19.99. Now available on Amazon. And the Wonder Wings unicorn is super cute with these wings that are bright and colorful like a rainbow. It's got a heart, cute little eyes with different colors, pink mouth, and then it has the purple on the inside. Such attention to detail. And look at the fun little fluffy hair. I'm like, aw. Right, and it has its tail. So what you're supposed to do so that your unicorn can fly, you're going to pull the wings and the tail to the full length. So let's take a look. Our unicorn. Oh, cool. So it comes out of like this little pocket area, and then also there's a fun little pocket here so that you can fly with your unicorn. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I would have loved this as a little child. Oh my goodness. I know my son was super excited about it. He's like, mommy, open it. I'm like, okay, hold on. I mean, how can you not get excited to open this up? It's so much fun. And look at this. Whoa! And when you pull on the tail, the wings go in. So the wings go in, the tail goes out. Whee! So I guess it really depends how you want your unicorn to fly. Whether it's through tail propulsion or the long, beautiful wings, and you fly with your unicorn. Incoming Wonder Wings! Woo! Now, since we're not flying on airplanes, we can imagine we're flying with unicorns, right? So I know that my son was super excited when he saw this at the Suite at home with the Toy Insider, and we had to reach out. Like, Sunny Days had the cutest little unicorns here for Wonder Wings, and this brightened up his day. I know kids will love this as well because it has the fun colors that really, catches your eye, but also it has these fun little pockets so that they can pretend that they're flying with the unicorn too. Now your kids are definitely gonna love this because they can pull out the wings, or they can take the tail and then it can retract the wings, right? So you see that they come back, and then it has the nice long tail, which is super cute. So it depends how you wanna play, but either way, it's an adorable little unicorn, and it just, and it's got the fluffy hair, like pink and purple, little mohawk. I'm all about it. Now, if you want to get one of these for your little one for back to school, maybe it's their birthday or just to cheer them up, or if you're looking to shop early for those holiday picks, this is definitely going to be on your list because it's cute, it's fun, it gives them hours of imaginative play, and it's for, the 3+ crowd, right? And it's $19.99 on Amazon. So if you had fun watching me play with the unicorn and pretend that I am a little kid all over again, and I can't wait to show my son this, but we had so much fun just experiencing it and just imagining that we could fly. Keep your imagination wild. I will see you all on the next episode with more toy fun. And if you love this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, tell us something that you loved about the Wonder Wings, and maybe we'll pin your comment. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye!